Hey, this is Andy at Shop 1, and well, up until right now, pretty much, we were bringing in pipe by hand at the forklift, one pipe at a time. Guys were lugging it around, lifting it. Brian was lifting pipe onto the groover table, and there was just a lot of labor, and it took a long time. So now we've got rollers coming all the way to the shop, and now we just added this new jib crane that we built today. So this is how it works. As you can see, it's a lot less effort on my behalf, and it's a lot safer. Now we just load it onto the table, roll the table back, turn it around, and groove it.
Done. Perfect, right? Way better. PMP prefab crane 2017 edition. Good job, Andy.
Signing
Awesome
out.
work, bud.